Looking for the perfect blender you can take anywhere? Whether it's for smoothies at the gym, shakes at work, or fresh juice on the go, these top 5 portable personal blenders are compact, powerful, and made for your lifestyle. Let's get into the best picks that deliver convenience and performance, anytime, anywhere. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender, Cordless, 18 ounces vessel, personal blender for shakes and smoothies, BPA-free, leak-proof lid and sip spout, USB-C rechargeable, dishwasher safe parts, denim blue. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is built for people who want fresh smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks without being tied to a wall outlet. With a cordless design and USB-C rechargeable battery, this blender delivers convenience and freedom anywhere you go. The 18-ounce vessel is a great size for single-serve drinks, and it's made from BPA-free material that's both durable and dishwasher safe. The motor base has a powerful, compact design and features a simple one-touch blend button that operates the stainless steel blades. These blades are built to crush ice, blend fruits, and break down leafy greens for a smooth, consistent texture. A full charge gives you about 15 blends, which makes it ideal for travel, gym use, or even at your desk during a busy workday. The sip spout lid is leak-proof and thoughtfully designed, allowing you to blend and drink from the same vessel without creating extra mess. It also locks securely in place, which is great for throwing it into your bag without worrying about spills. The compact size makes it easy to store in a backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. The body of the blender is constructed with premium materials, and the denim blue color gives it a sleek, stylish look that doesn't scream kitchen appliance. Its intuitive design includes safety features like a lock indicator and a pause function. Plus, the USB-C port allows you to charge it just like a phone, using your standard USB-C cable or power bank. One of the standout features is how easy it is to clean. Just add water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, rinse, and it's ready for the next use. Both the cup and lid are top-rack dishwasher safe, which adds another layer of convenience. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for Shakes and Smoothies, 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup and lid, durable stainless steel blades, personal smoothie blender, Coral, 51171. The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender offers a practical and budget-friendly solution for those who want to blend smoothies, shakes, or protein drinks quickly and easily. This model features a 14-ounce BPA-free blending jar that doubles as a travel cup. Just blend, lift it off the base, and take it with you without transferring to another container. It's powered by a 175-watt motor, which provides sufficient blending strength for softer fruits, protein powders, and liquid-based ingredients. The stainless steel blades are durable and effective for light-duty blending, and the one-touch operation makes it simple to use with just the push of a button. The compact design is a major benefit. It fits easily on a small countertop, in an office cubicle, or even inside a suitcase. This makes it especially convenient for college students, travelers, or anyone living in a smaller space like a dorm or apartment. The entire unit is easy to store, and the travel lid makes it simple to carry around without worry of spills. The blending jar is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. The cord wraps around the base for tidy storage, and the base itself is sturdy despite its small footprint. The blender is designed with ease of use in mind and includes non-slip feet to help keep it stable during blending. This blender is best suited for lighter blends like fruit smoothies, chocolate shakes, or meal replacement drinks. It's not intended for heavy-duty blending like frozen fruits or hard vegetables, but for basic, everyday use, it performs well. It's great for blending a banana and milk, mixing protein powder with almond milk, or whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie. Number 3. Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB 50100 Silver, 16 ounces. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB 50100 brings the trusted name of Magic Bullet into a mobile, on-the-go format. With a 16-ounce capacity and a cordless design, this blender is made for portability without sacrificing performance. It's powered by a rechargeable battery and includes a USB charging cable, giving you the flexibility to blend wherever you are, no outlet required. The stainless steel blades are designed to handle fruits, vegetables, protein powders, and soft ice. It works best with smoothies, shakes, and light frozen blends. The motor is compact yet strong enough to crush small ice cubes and mix up a smooth consistency with most ingredients when liquid is included. Its travel cup is made from BPA-free plastic and is lightweight while remaining sturdy. The lid features a sip spout and seals tightly to prevent leaks when you're carrying it in a gym bag or backpack. The cup detaches easily from the base, letting you drink directly from the same container you blend in, cutting down on cleanup and mess. The design includes a twist and blend function for safe operation, meaning the blades will only spin when the jar is securely locked into place. This helps prevent spills and accidents. The controls are extremely simple, with a one-touch power button and LED indicator to show when it's operating or charging. A full charge can provide multiple uses, depending on how thick your blends are. Lighter blends will allow for more cycles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for travel, office use, or daily gym routines. Cleaning the blender is fast and easy, just add water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, rinse, and you're done. Number 4. KYOS Smoothie Blender 900W Personal Blender for Shakes and Smoothies for Kitchen with 2 No BPA 22 ounces portable cups, single-serve smoothies maker mixer for juices, nutritious recipe, gray-blue. The KYOS Smoothie Blender is a powerful and efficient personal blender designed for users who need more than just portability. It's built for serious performance. With a 900-watt motor, it stands out in the personal blender category for its ability to crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds. This makes it suitable for everything from green smoothies and protein shakes to nut butters and frozen desserts. Included with the blender are 2 BPA-free 22-ounce cups that are built to handle both blending and drinking. The cups are durable, lightweight, and come with sip and seal lids so you can take your drinks on the go without spills. These cups are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and simple after every use. The base unit is compact, but it packs commercial-grade power. Its stainless steel 6-leaf blades are designed to create a vortex that pulls ingredients down for smoother, more consistent blends. Whether you're working with frozen berries, raw vegetables, or thick yogurt, this blender delivers smooth results without the need to stir or shake mid-blend. Safety is built into the design with a lock-in-place system that ensures the blender only operates when the cup is correctly attached to the base. This not only prevents accidents but also reduces mess. The blender also features anti-slip feet and heat dissipation vents to keep it secure and cool during operation. Its operation is simple, just press down on the cup and blend. There are no complicated settings or buttons, making it intuitive for quick daily use. It's ideal for meal prep, post-workout shakes, or even making sauces and salad dressings. The compact footprint makes it easy to keep on a kitchen counter or tuck away in a cabinet when not in use. Number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, Portable Blender for Smoothies, Shakes, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 700-watt base, 16 ounces. Cups and spout lids, Black QB 3001 SS. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender delivers powerful performance in a streamlined, space-saving design. With a 700-watt motor base, this blender offers enough strength to handle frozen ingredients, ice, whole fruits, and vegetables, making it ideal for nutrient-packed smoothies, protein shakes, and food prep. The package includes 2 16-ounce BPA-free cups, both of which fit securely onto the motor base for blending and also include convenient spout lids for drinking on the go. The cups, lids, and blades are all dishwasher safe, and the compact design means it doesn't take up much space in the kitchen. The base is small enough to leave out on the counter, and the cord wraps neatly for tidy storage when not in use. All 5 of these portable personal blenders bring power and portability to your daily routine. If you found one that fits your needs, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next top-rated gear.